So I'm still a little bit fumbly with Autocrat, so bear with me as I make mistakes and such. But we're going to start here on the spreadsheet, and it is organized alphabetically by grade level. And we have this other document over here that we want this information to come into. And so we've got a space for the first name, or a place for the first name, a space, and then a place for the last name. And then down here at the bottom, it will import what grade level it is. And so we'll say like 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade down here. And so the way to start this is to come to extensions while we're on the sheet, go to Autocrat and click launch. Then we need to do a new job. And I'm just going to name this job 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see I've already used this one, the 95 at 147, which is the name of this document. I'll rename it later, but I've already used that one. I could go to from drive and go find it, but I'm just going to hit use because it's already on my list for me to use. And so if you're not me and you are looking to use this thing, you would just go to Google Drive, find that file, and click it by using this button right here, from drive. And then we have these 3 fields that are going to merge. And so the first thing we need to do is identify what sheet it is on. And so it is on sheet 1. You can see that right there. And so we've got a space for the first name, last name, and grade level. And it's automatically going to match first name, last name, grade level. So it's going to take the first name, the last name, and the grade level information from here and drop it into these spots on this sheet. So that's what we want to happen. We'll say next. The file name, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. And we want a single output mode. If we click multiple output, it's not going to work the way we want it to. We definitely want single output mode. Then we need to choose a destination folder. This is kind of a pain. What I did ahead of time was I created a 95% club folder on my computer. Because I can't create a new folder here, I have to use one that already exists. And so I went ahead previous to this and created a 95% club merge. So we click that. I don't know why that's not working. There we go. So I selected the 95% club merges folder. That's where it's going to save it. And then I think, click through all the rest of this, and there's nothing I need to do. So you can just click save. This is going to take a little bit of time. And we need to click play for it to run the job. And so it's creating a separate sheet for each one of these students using that template that I had. I'm going to pause the video while it does the work, and I'll be back. Okay, and so it completed what it was doing and came back to this screen. And now the initial instinct is to click play again because it's like, well, what just happened? Nothing happened. But if I go to that folder, 95% club merges that I had created, the file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is in that folder. And so if I double click that, it's going to open the doc that should have all of those certificates with all of the student names and grade level on it. Let's hope that it worked. It says there are 300 and some still loading pages, 491 pages, 500 and some pages. That's crazy. Oh, so it did this with a blank page after each page. I'm going to have to redo it, but that is the process. I think what I need to do is delete a space from underneath the word 6th grade there or something, and then these should come out correct. So that's the way it works. I just need to fix the original doc so that there's not a blank space between, or a blank page between each. student certificate. So there you go.